Do you feel tired at work, but can't take a short break because your boss or client is near? Fake Update is here to your rescue. With a fake OS update, you can now gladly take the break you deserve. Try it out. On your browser, type fakeos.com and choose an operating system of your choice that aligns with your current work computer. In my case, I'll choose Windows 10, just to show you how it looks like. Oh my days, this is the real deal. After you've chosen your preferred OS, on your keyboard press F11 key, so as to now put the fake update or installation into full screen and hide the search bar. And now my dear friend, you can now take your break. There's absolutely everything here. You can as well prank your friend on his computer and see his or her reaction by pretending that you're reinstalling the computer's operating system, after accidentally messing with the computer's core files. And please, don't forget to put the screen into full screen mode for it to be believable. Anyway, that's all for today. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, so that you always get alerted on such cool tricks and much more. Until next time, Auf Wiedersehen my friends.